Hello, my wonderful children. I hope all of you are safe at home. I keep praying every day for your good health and safety. Children, you are important assets of our life. And health is wealth. One of the most important things in life is blessings of life is health, both mental and physical. We are going through a very tough time nowadays, but things won't stop, my dear children. Learning has to go on. All of you must keep yourself fit and healthy so that you can learn well. So we move on to the fourth video of this chapter 2. In the previous video, we learnt about the communicable diseases and diseases caused due to the different microbes and germs, protozoa, bacteria, viruses and fungi. Now in the fourth video of chapter 2, we are going to learn about two important topics, that is preventing communicable diseases caused due to germs, microbes. And the second topic is keeping healthy and fit, how to keep healthy and fit. In the first topic, the three subtopics are using sunlight and heat, using clean water and food, and preventing the breeding of mosquitoes and flies in our area. So let us learn about these two major topics in details from the book. Now, this is the first topic. We are going to learn about the ways to prevent the communicable diseases. The first topic is sunlight and heat. Okay, my dear students. So let us see. Under this topic, sunlight and heat, sunlight acts as a natural disinfectant. Now, what is a disinfectant? A disinfectant is something that kills germs. Okay, we use different kinds of disinfectants at our workplace, home. Okay, so sunlight is used as how? When we wash clothes, all the clothes that we use, or some even cereals and grains, we put in the mother, she puts in the sun to make it dry, free from germs. The same way, all the articles that we use, the cloth, we must wash it, clean it and leave it in the sun to dry. That is a natural disinfectant. It kills the germs and microbes. And especially the person who was sick and infected due to a communicable disease, all the articles like bed sheets, mattresses, blankets, his own or her own clothes must be washed and left in the sun to dry one day, twice, thrice, and that will kill the microbes and germs, and that will act as a natural disinfectant. Secondly, how to use heat. Whenever we use food must be cooked at a high temperature, high enough to kill all the microbes and germs. When we keep some of the food in the deep freezer, like frozen food articles, non-veg items, sometimes paneer, cheese, and when we are using it for our consumption, we must cook it at a high temperature, boil it for a longer period of time, crisp fry it to make it free from germs and microbes. Now the next topic is clean water and food will also prevent, using clean water and food will prevent the spread of communicable diseases. Communicable diseases spread through food, air and water, etc. So, children, now all of us are very much familiar with the use of soap and water for washing hands, sanitizer, keeping ourselves clean during this pandemic. That has definitely taught us washing hands. Now, drinking water is one of the most important things. How to use clean drinking water. We cannot just take water from any tap and drink it. That will be full of microbes. So, in most of the houses now, what do we use? We use water filters like RO filters, AquaGuard, and different types of water filters, and even general water filters. Other methods of keeping the water clean are by boiling it, filtering it, and then chlorinating it, and using these kind of methods to make the water microbe-free or germ-free before drinking. Now, what are some of the waterborne diseases? If we do not use clean water for drinking, person might suffer from typhoid, jaundice and cholera. Now, these are spread due to infected water, contaminated water. Now, jaundice is also called pilia. You can see in the Google the images of pilia. The whole body becomes yellowish in color, and your parents will also tell you. Wash hands frequently with soap and water, especially before and after eating. Dirty hands and nails carry large number of microbes. So trim your nails occasionally if they become long and dirty. Wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly before you cook or eat them. Children, I am reading from page 19. Please pay attention. Imagine how many hands or places the fruits and vegetables might have passed before they reached you. Remember to start with the farmer who grows them. Suppose your father brought an apple and without washing you ate it. Now remember how many people must have touched it. It must have fallen on the streets. It must have fallen on the soil. So please do not eat without washing and cleaning it. Always keep the food covered to prevent flies from sitting on it. I'm sure you are covering the food at home. But what about the golgappa that you eat in the market? What about the chaat that you immediately, and noodles and momos? Go and immediately after dismissal you rush to this thela and you start eating them. Do you ever notice how many flies were sitting on those open food being sold? So next time, pay attention, dear children. Health is wealth, and we do not understand the value of health until and unless we become sick. Store food and water in clean and covered containers. The water bottles that you use must be washed every day before bringing it to school. Third topic, preventing the breeding of mosquitoes and flies. Breeding, the word breeding means giving birth in large numbers and spreading, like mosquitoes and flies. In 1 day and 2 days, they spread in numbers. So we have to stop the spreading of these germs and insects. How can we stop? Mosquitoes breed or lay their eggs in stagnant water, still water, water that is not thrown away or cleaned. Follow these steps to prevent mosquito breeding in and around your house. Keep water tanks covered. Do not let water to collect in ditches, drainage, pots, vessels and coolers. Sometimes you find old tires, old pots, and the water is stored there and left to stagnate there, and mosquito come, and if you notice, if you go and watch them, dirty water, you will see tiny thread like worms there. They do like this, they are mosquitoes, larvae, eggs of mosquitoes. Keep now third one, please number these points. There are 6 points over here. You can see there are 6 points. Please number these points on page 19. Third one, repair or prevent water leak from taps, air conditioner or coolers. Wear full sleeve shirts and trousers, especially when you go down to play in the evenings. Dear children, many of you use that mosquito repellent belt. I don't know what it is called, but Odomos and Goodnight and other brands, they have made belts for children, mosquito repellents. Make sure the drains and sewers are clean. If you see them choked, inform your elders to get them clean. Blocked drains. Ask your elders to get your house and neighborhood fumigated or sprayed with insecticides regularly. I have seen nowadays they are spraying disinfectants and mosquito repellents in the evening. Fogging, that is, fogging is done by the government, white colored fumes. Fumigated, that same thing, fogging or fumigating or burning fire to produce fumes to keep away mosquitoes and flies. Flies breed in dirt and garbage. Garbage means waste products, dirty dirt that you throw from your house. Flies breed or spread in number in dirt and garbage. So keep your house and neighborhood clean. Cover all the dustbins. Dispose of garbage properly. Do not allow heaps of garbage to collect in and around your house. And children, one more point is not given here. Get your house netted. Netting is also one of the ways to save mosquito or other insects entering our house, and use mosquito repellents at home. Mosquito nets also, if you do not have netting done in the house, do not sleep without mosquito nets or use mosquito repellents. Now third one, vaccination. Here I have not written vaccination. Sunlight, clean water, preventing mosquitoes. Fourth point I have missed out. that is vaccination, one of the most important things. And now I am sure all of you know the meaning of vaccination. This COVID has taught us so many important things. Vaccination is the act of injecting a person with vaccine to protect him or her from a disease. There are so many vaccines now, Covaxin, Covishield. So you know what a vaccination is. And you must have also been vaccinated when you were. Now also many students must be getting vaccinated. Vaccines are available for diseases such as polio, cholera, typhoid, jaundice, measles, meningitis, and this one, what is that? Corona, that is COVID-19. I hope your parents must have got vaccinated. Now keeping the last topic, keeping healthy and fit. That is a very simple topic. That is almost a summary of the entire thing that we learned. We must have a balanced diet to remain healthy and fit and active. Diet, and children, you must take diet rich in roughages. And what are those things? Like palak you must take sprouted cereals and legumes, and then roasted bhuja is one of the most important source of roughages. Okay, eat items made from whole grains, so that will keep your digestive system fit and your stomach will be clean. No acidity problem. Fruits and vegetables must be included in your diet. That keeps you free from diseases. Take enough of fruits and vegetables, but clean ones. Please do exercise regularly to keep your bones and muscles strong. Do Zumba. Do you do Zumba? Aerobics, yoga and pranayam, anulom vilom. So, exercise and will keep your muscles and bones and your respiratory system, lungs strong. You must take enough of rest and sleep. That does not mean 12 hours of sleep. Okay? You must take at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep every day, and what does that do? That helps in the repair and maintenance of the body, and it also keeps you mentally happy and relaxed. Keep yourself and your surroundings clean. Dear children, that is very important to keep yourself and your surroundings clean. We did not talk about keeping yourself clean. I'm sure all of you are busy sanitizing your hand, wearing masks. Keep doing that. Okay, this first and foremost, we need to protect ourselves from this corona pandemic. So today's lesson, we learned how to prevent communicable diseases by the use of sunlight and heat. This is the recap of the entire lesson. The sunlight and heat acts as a natural disinfectant. Use clean water and food. That also we know. We must prevent the breeding of mosquitoes and flies because they are the carriers of the communicable diseases. And vaccination will keep you safe and develop immunity in your body to fight against the disease. And then keeping healthy and fit. All of you know all these points. So please practice these, students, and keep yourself and your family healthy, fit and a happy family. I'll keep praying for you, all of you dear students. So enjoy your day. Have a nice day, my dear children. Thank you.